Hello, plant mamas and plant daddies. Welcome to a brand new month. I'm so excited to reveal this collaboration VB kit with Papershire Stationery. It's all about plants. I love my plants. Let's dive right in. First, I'm going to show you the two washi tapes. The bigger one, the 15mm, is called Cutie plants. So I just love these cute little illustrations. Papershire is the best at these. And then this one, the 7.5mm, is called Leafy Vibes. Again, I didn't know what to call it. So I just kind of Leafy Vibes, I guess. Those are your washi tape. Next up are the Vellum Die Cut Stickers. You guys loved these when they were in the Primrose Garden kit. So brought them back for Papershire. I can't wait to see how you incorporate these with your planner spreads. You can do so much with these. Don't forget it is a sticker, a vellum sticker, so there is a backing to the back. So don't forget to peel that backing off. Yeah, there's so many different ones. Can't remember how many I did, but I just kept going because I couldn't make up my mind. Which one's your favorite? The July color palette is probably one of my favorites. Just something about the emerald green and like a khaki green and then that beigey pink with a mauve really stood out. And look how gorgeous these colors are when they're put together. Just wait till you see the sticker book. Ugh, the colors just pop with the rose gold. Yet 5 different page flags. A lot of people have been asking for more page flags, just like these page flags. Oh, look at that green blue color. Isn't that pretty? And this one's kind of like a deeper khaki green. This is something new. Well, I guess I've made washi cards before, like on PVC, the thin plastic, but not on acrylic. These are super strong. They have a good weight to them. And you get 3 in a set, and they're printed on one side. There is a protective backing on one side, so make sure you remove it. It is pretty hard, so make sure you have like little sharp fingernails or even like a little needle. If you can get between there, would be great. This is the Dangle Paperclip and Charms. I kind of went with a wood theme to kind of match with the enamel. I really like it. The Plant Mama bag is so super cute. And then this Monstera leaf. This is a pocket planner, so it kind of gives you a reference how big they are. You can even make it into a keychain or like even just a regular charm. These are the transparent stickers and transparent cards. So just like I shouldn't say every kit. Once in a while we get these in kits. Sometimes I like to change it up. But your functional stickers, I really like the words for this month. The fonts are the font for it was super cute, see? And the transparent cards. Oh, backwards. Sorry. I've been getting a lot of requests for this next product. They are Adhesive Pocket. So there's 3 different sizes. You get a small, a medium, and a large pocket. You can put these, make a divider, and you can have a little pocket to store extra stickers or journaling cards. There's so many possibilities you can do with these. And I like, there's 3 of them. Okay, so let's talk about the kit pen. Look at this gorgeous pen. This one is called Plant Mama, of course, named after the kit. So this is a dark green matte paint with rose gold hardware and light nude, blush, and iridescent crystals with little leaves. But I'm not finished yet. Get ready for this. Surprise! This is your second VBKit pen called Plant Daddy. I couldn't forget about the Plant Daddies. So this one is a medium green matte paint with gunmetal hardware, and the crystals are light nude, light green, and with those iridescent metallic green sequin leaves. So look at these two pens. Are you guys excited? I tried really hard to keep this a secret, but some of you caught on because I sneaked the stickers in the sticker book. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these too. So speaking of sticker book, here is this month's Plant Mama sticker book. I didn't even catch on to that sneak when I was showing the kit envelope that the sticker sheet was right in front. Some of you, I kind of lied and said that it was a filter, it was the lighting. But look at that color palette with the new sticker paper. It just pops. I really like the sticker paper. I know a lot of you, some of you don't agree with me and would rather have the old sticker paper, but for now, a lot of you are actually really liking the sticker paper, so we're gonna keep it for now. You know, things can always change, but yeah, I really like it personally. It really makes the colors pop, the foil pop. I know it's kind of a pain that you have to use like a permanent pen, more of an oil-based pen, but it makes the artwork really nice. This is something new. This is the Papershire bunny pen pouch. Every time I see this bunny, I just want to smile. It's a very nice, tall kind of pouch. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Not only just pens, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna grab a couple things and show you what you can stuff in here. So I grabbed the page flags and then the washi cards. You can add those in here, and you can start out small and then it grows when you make it like taller. So it starts out short, and then the more stuff in there, you can make it taller, like for pens and such. But I just want to show you when you add more pens, it becomes a little bit more stable and can stand on its own. But isn't this cute? You can have it standing while you're planning with all your tools and your pens and like stuff with markers. So I just kind of want to show you how it looks when it's standing. Right? Every time you see this, you just kind of want to smile and say, "Hello, little bunny." And see, you can just erase it, or you can raise it up or raise it down. Unfortunately, I do not have the paper in hand when I'm filming this video. They are stuck in transit. So I just want to show you, for those that ordered the paper pack, these are the paper that you'll be getting, and the two at the end are the vellum. So that's a wrap for this month's Plant Mama VBKit. Thank you, Papershire Stationery, for another fab collab. Oh, that rhymes. Fab collab. I hope you, all of you, enjoy this month's kit and the extra kit pen. Those two are gonna look really pretty in your pen collections. What was your favorite item in this kit? Leave a message below, because you never know if the VB Fairy is gonna come. Oh, let's talk about next month's kit, by the way. August kit is the Anniversary Luxe VB kit. It is called Aesthetic. It's all about my personal style, VB's aesthetic. Oh, I can't wait to reveal what's in this kit. It's gonna be very, very popular, so make sure you pre-order. Ooh, hopefully it's not sold out already. Thanks you guys for watching and always supporting. I'll see you next month.